In this lecture, we're going to find a niche in which to create our course. Now, there's lots of topics out there on Udemy, so it could be hard to find a topic in which you can get enough traffic, but also show up well in search results. Fortunately, Udemy provides a wonderful tool called Marketplace Insights that you can use to evaluate course topics. So let's jump over to Udemy and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here I am in Udemy, and what I'm going to do to make it to this tool is go to the instructor panel, pick Tools, and then select Marketplace Insights. Now, what Marketplace Insights does is it evaluates well-known topics by showing you data about that topic. First of all, it shows you promising topics right off the top. So if you know any of these potential topics, you can see that they're all trending upward. So you might want to record in one of those topics. But what we're going to do is we're interested in, let's say, a course on the WordPress Gutenberg block editor. This is a brand new editor to WordPress 5, and we're going to see if we can do a course on it. So the best word to use would probably be Gutenberg, and you can see what you've got to do is your search keyword that you're evaluating has to show up as a topic down here. If you do something like, let's say I'm doing Create Studio, you can see it, I got to spell it correctly, you can see that it doesn't show up here as a well-known topic. It's not popular enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter Gutenberg again, and then click on the topic and come down and evaluate it. Now, this is one of the best results that you can get, is this topic is a great opportunity and the topic is on fire. What that means is that there are a low number of courses and there's high student demand. If that combination occurs for a course, then it's considered a hot topic and a great opportunity. Now let's look at other results that we can get. Here we can click the X. Let's take a look at WordPress instead. This is a topic where you better bring your A game. And what this means is that there's a lot of courses in this category, so there's a lot of competition. You don't necessarily want to jump into a topic where you have to bring your A game. And then the final type that you can get that I've seen, let's check Moho, I've got a course here, is this aim for high ratings to succeed. That means that this course topic is not getting a lot of traffic, so you need to distinguish yourself with high ratings. Now, obviously, what you're looking for here in your searches is red hot topics that are on fire. There aren't a lot of them, so when you find them, really jump on them. And since there aren't a lot of them, you're probably going to have to use other evaluation criteria down lower in the report. So what else can we use here to evaluate? It's the 74th percentile as far as popularity of keywords. I prefer like more up near 80, but this will do. You can see its trend is coming down, going back up. It's not exactly trending upward. And then here, you get additional keywords. You can show more that you can use along with the word Gutenberg. And here are other similar topics. So WordPress plugins, themes, and security are related to WordPress Gutenberg block editor. Let's continue down. Here's the enrollments. This is what you're after over here, is Udemy Discovery, or I'm sorry, this is what you're after here in this bar, is Udemy search traffic. So if you think about this, if you accumulate these words up here, let's just get the first three. Here, 24% of all purchases searched using the word Gutenberg. 13% used WordPress and WordPress Gutenberg. So let's add them together. We get 24, we get 48% of all sales just by that. And this is these sales. So you're talking about 1/4 of this would be that you're getting about 7% of the traffic. Anyway, you can do a little math like that and figure out just how popular the topic is. Let's come down and look further. 8% of the courses are rated 4.5 and above, and enrollments are going to highly rated courses 13% of the time, so they're actually not going to the highly rated courses. And then here we can see the top 5 courses in this particular category. Let's see what we're looking at. Look, here's one with 1 rating. Here's one with 9. So this is obviously an easy category to get into. We want to make note of this category and do further research. So this is how to use the Marketplace Insights to find a niche. If you know anything about WordPress, especially the Gutenberg editor, at least right now, as of the creation of this course, it's a good topic to get into and create a course for. So that was it for Marketplace Insights. In the next lecture, we're going to use Marketplace Insights and other tools to name our Udemy course to be found. Or in other words, do some Udemy SEO to get our course to show up in Udemy search results. I'll see you in that lecture.